All right, we are in an empty apartment, an empty duplex with terrible, terrible carpets. This would be a great location to try out something I just found. Check this out. I want to clean these carpets for $1.25. I found this stuff at Dollar Tree, and you can see here it's $1.25, and it says it works on carpets. Let's take a look. It's a powder form. Looks very similar to laundry detergent or even the sprays that I use. Let's go take a look at the carpet so you can see what we're up against. This is the cleanest room. Let's start with the best first and then break the news to you slowly. Oh boy. I'm not sure what happened here, but it doesn't look too good. There's a stain, looks like it might be wax. I don't know. But you can see these are pretty bad. And then last, well, actually, I guess I showed you the worst one just a few seconds ago. This is bad, but it's not the worst. So my process is going to be, I'm going to vacuum them first. I'll bring you back and show you what I got out of them just from vacuuming. Then I've got my CRB, my counter rotating brush. I'm going to put the pre-spray down. We'll mix up the $1.25 special. I will coat the entire carpet with that. I'll take my CRB, which is an electric set of brushes, scrub it really well. We'll look and see what we got out of that. Then we'll use the truck mount and clean it to the best of our ability. We'll see what happens. See here, our vacuum canister is just about empty. There's just a little bit in the bottom. Just out of 3 bedrooms. All of this. Is that not crazy? What's even crazier is we will get more with the CRB. I'll bring you back in just a minute. We're gonna mix the cleaner and then we'll go on to the CRB. All right, just so you know that I'm being honest with you, I don't know if you can see me. This is totally empty. It's a normal pre-spray jug that I use, but it's empty. I poured out my good stuff. I'm gonna legitimately try this Dollar Tree stuff. So put this down here, I'm gonna fill it with water. If I can, just like this. Okay, I'll bring you guys right back. All right, I'm getting close to this is a 1 gallon mark. I'm using my Sharpie so I'll always be able to see it. And you can see the water's about right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do it to a gallon because I don't know how much it's gonna take. All right, I only got one. What do you know? Okay, so now here's the crazy thing. This says, where's it at? I guess I showed you guys. Okay, I don't know if I showed you the correct side, but it says mix 1 scoop with 1 gallon of water in a bucket. Well, I'm not gonna use a bucket. Then add to carpet machine to clean spots on carpet, remove excess liquid or blah, 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 blah. I don't know what a scoop is. It doesn't come with a scoop. I know my scoop in my materials is like a 2-ounce scoop, so I'm gonna put 4 ounces in here because I normally put 2 scoops of my stuff. I may even put 6, I don't know. So let's do this, which is quite a lot, but I wanna make sure that I give this stuff a fair shake. All right, there's 4 ounces. That's actually quite a lot. Probably should use a mask. Try to get this in there the best I can. And then what I'll do, once I get this in there, I'm gonna shake it up real good. I'm gonna spray it on the carpet, and then I'll let it dwell. Dwell time is always important, regardless of what you're using. And we'll see what happens. You guys hang with us. Well, I tell you what, I'm not even halfway through. I haven't even cleaned the carpet yet. I just sprayed this on, and I've been using my scrubber to scrub it, my CRB, and I'm just not even pleased with it. I'm gonna have to abort this mission and go back to my normal stuff. I would say 2 things are at play here. I'm not really sure what the mixture is. It just said a scoop per gallon, and that was for spot cleaning. That was to put it in a carpet machine. So I really didn't, I don't know if I mixed it right. And not only that, it didn't dissolve very well. It keeps, the spray nozzle keeps getting stopped up, and I have to keep taking it apart and cleaning it. So I'm gonna have to say for this stuff, it's a bust. I can't imagine cleaning carpet and getting it very clean with this Dollar Tree $1.25 cleaner. So sorry about that, guys. Just so you guys know what I'm talking about, I wanted to show you this room has been scrubbed. It doesn't look too bad. I mean, there's still some spots in the middle that may come out with the hot water extraction. I don't know. But you see this room, see I've still got my scrubber in here. I mean, it barely touched it. It did fluff up the carpet, but it's not bringing it out, and I can't in good conscience charge my customer when this stain may not come out. I want to do everything I can. I want to save the owner money, but if I can't get that stain out, then they're going to have to replace the carpet. So I've got to know I've done everything I can. So I'm going to go back to my normal commercial grade cleaner and see what I can do. I may bring you back. It may not clean it up either. So to give a fair shake to the cheap carpet cleaner solution from Dollar Tree, I may bring you guys back. Hang tight. Well, let's take a look. I didn't think I was going to show you guys this, but after everything we did, came back with my professional cleaners and I scrubbed it real good. I actually sprayed them again. This is what it looks like. It's not perfect, but it's a big difference from what it was. If you remember, it was pretty nasty. Let's take a look. All right, this was the first room I showed you. As you can see, it is a huge improvement. Those two things right there, those are indentations. There was a bunk bed in here. From here, it looks like there's a stain. There might be a little stain around this one. I don't know. I've gone over it several times. This was the one that looked like something terrible happened in here. Most of that blue came out. The huge stain in the middle is mostly gone. Still a little bit up there. Then let's look at the last room. It's much better. Not perfect. Not what I'd want to live on, but based on what it was before, it looks much better. The entryways, only so much I could do. So we'll see. We'll see if the landlord wants to keep them. That's up to him. I did my job. You guys take care.